Welcome to the Wasteland Wisdom Workshop. You've seen the quick guides, the essential down-and-dirty skills you need to survive the first 72 hours. Now, it's time to go deeper. In this series, we're going to master these crafts. We'll explore the theory, the science, and the nuanced techniques that turn a simple tool into a reliable, lifelong companion. This is not just about surviving. This is about thriving and rebuilding. Today, we begin with the most fundamental of all tools, the axe. The primitive axe, a masterclass. Chapter 1. The Theory of the Axe. Before we build, we must understand an axe is not a blade, it is a wedge. Its primary function is to split wood fibers apart, not slice them. This distinction is critical and informs every choice we make. A heavy, wide head is for splitting large logs. A thinner, lighter head is for chopping through smaller branches. Today, we're building a versatile camp axe, a jack-of-all-trades for the wasteland survivor. We will focus on three key components: the head, the handle, and the hafting, the method of joining them. Chapter 2. Sourcing the head, reading the stones. Forget what you've seen in movies. You can't just pick up any two rocks. You need to find the right type of stone. We're looking for a cryptocrystalline silicate rock. Flint, chert, or obsidian are the kings. But here, in the Arizona wastes, basalt or even fine-grained granite can work. The key is finding a stone that is hard and homogeneous, without cracks or fault lines. Look for stones in riverbeds. The water has already done the work of showing you which ones are strong enough to survive tumbling for centuries. The ideal shape is a teardrop or an oblong hand-sized stone that already has a natural tapered edge. This saves you hours of work. Chapter 3. Shaping the head. Percussion and abrasion. Now we shape it. We won't be flint knapping a fine edge. We are creating a durable wedge. The primary technique is pecking, or percussion. You'll use a smaller, harder hammerstone to systematically tap away at your axe head, pulverizing the surface to shape it. We will focus on creating a uniform bevel on both sides of the cutting edge and, crucially, pecking a groove around the center. This groove, called the hafting groove, is essential for a secure binding. This process is slow. It takes patience. Once the shape is established, we can use abrasion, grinding the edge against a flat, sandy rock to refine and sharpen it. Chapter 4. The handle with selection and ergonomics. The handle, or helve, is just as important as the head. It provides the leverage that gives the axe its power. You need a piece of strong, shock-resistant hardwood. Here in the desert, mesquite or ironwood are top-tier choices. Look for a straight branch about arm's length with no knots or splits. The thickness should allow for a comfortable, secure grip. We will carve the end that meets the axe head to fit snugly into our hafting groove. The other end will be smooth to prevent blisters. Remember, this tool will live in your hand. Make it a comfortable fit. Chapter 5. The hafting. A bond of sinew. This is where your axe becomes a single, solid tool. The best method is a haft wrap. We will lay the handle into the groove of the axe head. Then we will take our binding material, ideally wet rawhide or sinew. As this material dries, it shrinks, creating an incredibly powerful, tight bond that clamps the head to the handle. We will wrap it in an X pattern across the head and then wrap it tightly around the handle itself. If rawhide isn't available, strong cordage made from yucca fiber will work, but it will need to be checked and tightened constantly. Chapter 6. Conclusion. The final tool. Let the binding dry for several days. Do not rush this. When it is done, you will have more than a tool. You will have a piece of foundational technology crafted with your own hands from the materials of the wasteland. It will chop your wood, build your shelter, and defend your camp. This is not just a stone and a stick. This is an extension of your will to survive. This is Wasteland Wisdom. Be sure to like and subscribe for more.